What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today we have our July 2020 FPVCRATE box. And if you already know, FPVCRATE does a subscription box if you're into FPV, where you get like motors, or you can get like ESC or a flight controller or whatever parts for your quad. It's pretty much over a 6-month time frame. You can pretty much build like yourself a 5-inch quad or so. So I'll leave a link to if you want to subscribe to FPVCRATE. But also wanted to let you guys know that this channel has hit 5,000 subscribers today, actually, and I'm super excited. So I'm actually going to be giving this box away. So leave a comment down below if you want to go ahead and win this month's box. I'll leave next Thursday. I will be releasing another video, and I'll probably announce the winner. But I'm super excited about hitting 5,000 subscribers, and I couldn't do it without you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this month's box. If I can find my razor. And this is plastic that is on this razor blade that's been melted. That's why I usually don't like to use it. Alright, so I got it opened. So let's take a look, see what we got. So it looks like we got a coupon code to get $5 off your first sub 250 order. If you don't already know, the sub 250 box is like a 3-inch size box, subscription box. If you want to check it out, I did an actually unboxing of this a few days ago, so I'll leave a link to that down below if you want to check that out. And then also we have looks like some stickers, some Xylo stickers, cool. Some nice protecting padding, and some props we got this month. These are nice color. I like the color. They are, looks like T-Motor T4943 orange props. So 3 sets of those. I'll definitely use these if I wasn't giving this box away. And then it looks like the winner will be getting, looks like some prop nuts. Know what I'm thinking? Because those are going to some motors. Oh, look at these Xylo Stealth 2206 1700 kV motors. So this is the 6S motors. Giving this box away, so you're going to be getting yourself an awesome set of motors. This is awesome. I guess they wouldn't mind if I probably opened up a motor to take a look what they look like. Where's that yucky razor blade? Alright, so they're like some black motors pretty much. Nothing too fancy. But they're cool. Got a set of motors though, that's awesome for a box. But remember, if you leave a comment down below, you'll be entered in to win this month's box and these motors, everything you get here. And then also you'll be getting this shirt. It is a size medium, so if you don't have a size medium and you just want to give it to me instead, let me know. But let's open up the package and take a look. Oh, that's cool. It's like a little bunch of people flying FPV. Cool. This is Xylo right there. Nice dark, like navy blue. Nice. So yeah, that's this month's box for July 2020. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do unboxings of this every month, along with the sub 250 FPVCRATE boxes, quad boxes. I do tutorials and beta flight. Do tons of stuff on the channel. So check out my channel if you haven't already. Subscribe and leave a comment down below what you thought of this month's box, and if you want to enter in to be picked to win this month's box. But appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.